Okay, let's go ahead and do number 2 of the independent practice. So we have 3x to the third plus 12x squared plus x plus 4 equals 0. Now we're going to solve this by grouping because we noticed that we can group these two together and these two together. We can factor out a 3x to the second here. We have an x plus 4. Okay. Over here, we need to factor something out. So I'm going to go ahead and factor out a 1. So we have x plus 4. Okay, we need to do that in order for us to factor by grouping. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pull an x plus 4 out. So I get 3x squared plus 1 equals 0. Go ahead and split it. X plus 4 equals 0. 3x squared plus 1 equals 0. And x equals negative 4. And then x squared, squared equals negative 1/3. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the square root of both sides. So x equals plus or minus, okay, the square root of negative 1/3. And then we can further simplify, and it'll be it is plus or minus I. We can separate the square root of 1, square root of 3. So x equals plus or minus I, 1 to the square root of 3, okay, and negative 4. Okay, these are my answers. But the thing is, later on when we do radicals, there's something called rationalizing the denominator that I need to show you, which is that you can't have a radical inside of the denominator. Okay, you cannot have a radical inside of the denominator. So in the denominator, so in order to get that plus I 1 over to the square root of 3, I need to multiply the top and bottom by the square root of 3, because when you have the square root of 3 times the square root of 3, you end up having 3. So that would be plus minus I square root of 3 over 3. Okay, that is actually the final answer, but we don't know how to rationalize the denominator, so I'll take plus or minus I, this answer right here. Okay?